Hello, what's up guys? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually clean the data set in R. So using the basic data manipulation function. So here I'm in the R studio, and now you can see that I've got the AirBNB data set from Kaggle. You can actually get it from data cleaning. From Kaggle, you can actually import. There are so many data sets in it. So now what I'm gonna actually I've got this AP underscore NYC underscore 2019 CSV. So I'm gonna view it's too large to open in the search editor and make them files. Okay, I don't need to do that actually. I've got to go import the data set from the reader, and then here I'm gonna browse it, and here I've got my A, B, and C. I'm gonna open it, and then we can have the data preview. In the data preview, we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 columns, and there are some missing values like NAs here. So we're going to clean these up. We can find out. And when you hit an import, you can get this data frame. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new file, R script. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to view the AB underscore. So I'm going to get that. So for your kind information, let me tell you that there are 48,895 records in them. So I'm going to find out each of the column if it contains any values or not. Here the availability underscore 365 got some zero values in it. That's okay because 365 for 365 it's what they just so let's check what did just happened. NYC dollar, the last one. See, we've got everything. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna filter out the rows that contain the NA not applicable values. So I'm gonna just filter them. Negation of use dot NA of is NA of the first. Let me get the names of these. So ID names is dot NA of. Let me just take it into these now. So we should actually, one by one check them, but see, as we are cleaning this up, so let's find out. Filter those where IDs, NA. So I've just piped the data to the filter. At table 0 into 16, so it's probably so much large, so it could not. So underscore 2019. So let's do this instead. Which of I is NA? Nope, nothing is present. So then I just try to print this up. All false. Right. So next, it's done. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go to the next one. So the name. So it's better to use which because it's a very big. Well, the NA, we've got some values here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just try to print these NYC of 2019 of okay. Sorry for that. Didn't get it. It's NA. It's NA. So it is better not to include these records, right? So we should actually find the names. We can't keep anything. So it's better to just read them like that, but it's not correct. So it's better to keep these all equal to some temp. Right now to the next part. Host ID integer of 0, and then comes the host name. Host names, we've got something correct. Host names are actually, well, we cannot tell whether these names should be changed. So let's find out with the copilot. Well, should be done. Should read them with what? Well, this actually answers. When dealing with the missing values in Excel data is the default value. Right, as I fill them, so should actually fill in that some default value. Let's say that it's temp. So I'm gonna fill this. Actually, let me just create a new one. Maybe underscore NYC dollar host name of equals to you should get integers of 0. Nice. Now it's the time for the second one. Host name is done, host ID is done, neighborhood group, latitude. So neighborhood group, nothing. Neighborhood, it's nothing. Present. Now let's go to the latitude, because latitude don't get anything, right? And then comes the latitude. Room type, don't have anything. The price, minimum height, number of reviews, calculation. The price does not contain any. Then the room type of price, and then minimum height. They don't contain that. Number of reviews. Nothing contains any. What's happening? There is also minutes, right? So then previous last review. Boom. This last review is something fishy. Let's do that. Last review. It's a date. Date contains it. That's it. The date contains. So the last, we don't have any review. So let's ask the ChatGPT, what if call contains the date as the name? It should probably answer that. So now we should actually confirm some input any dot procs app is no need. So we should get the mean of them. So as the date of AP underscore NY C dollar hash rate. So what if we use the mean? Well, that works. We don't know how we should. What? NA is the main, my friend. So what if I tell negation? Wait a minute. For this, I'm gonna print which of negation of each dot NA of AB underscore NYC dot last review. The 2018 2018-10-04. So I would fill that with it. That would be great. So I'm going to copy that, ABC underscore NY. What's happening? AB dollar last review of that. So once let me do it, nothing is present. So now what I'm going to do is we close this up fire. So what I'm going to do is the last review is over. The reviews per month. Oh, this is whopping more. So I'm gonna fill this also with the mean. So for that, I'm gonna take this and then AC underscore NY. C dollar reviews per month of this equals to mean of AB underscore NY. C dollar reviews per month of negation of is dot and name of AB underscore NYC 2019 of release per month. That should work. So now let me check. Boom, that's great. So next, and this is done. And now what I'm going to do is now let's go to the next one. The reviews per month is over. Calculating posting object availability 365. The nope, not present. And then posting listing count availability 365. Nothing is present. Now let's check this thing. I'm going to click on that. Do we get any NAs right here? Actually, we should not check like this. Actually, I've given you so much, that you should not check this. We need to check one by one. We need to check one by one. How to check one by one? Well, for I in C, actually for I in AB underscore NYC, if I print I, what I'm gonna get? Each and everything. Instead of this, take a counter originating from 1. So while I less than or equals to length of AB underscore NYC, if I print the AB underscore NYC comma I, and let's do I plus 1, what I want to get? See, each and everything is up here. So which of is dot any of what if I do this? Nothing. Each and everything is 0. Here actually you can automate things up like that. So if it is any, then you need to just calculate it like if it's any, if it's any, you need to just, you need to take this up and here you need to implement a mean or median thing to fill them like that. So here we've successfully cleaned this data set. So we can actually now export this data set. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. So here actually we can export things up. Bye. Thanks for watching.